How to fix Uber Eats login error. If you're facing issues trying to log into the Uber Eats app, what you can try to do is first of all make sure you're connected to a stable internet or Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. If you're using the Uber Eats app on Android, long press the Uber Eats app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page, which will be found on any Android device. Then from here go to storage usage and there go to clear cache and also try to clear the data. Go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Uber Eats app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, if you're still not being able to log in, then chances are that you have entered an incorrect credentials. So make sure your mobile number is correct. If you're trying to sign in with email, make sure your email and password is correct. In case you forgot your password, you can reset it, or it could be that you might have linked your Uber Eats account with your Google account, so you can directly continue with your Google or your Apple ID. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.